Everyone dreams of passive income. You recommend, they click, they buy, and you earn. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. But here's the truth, just having an affiliate link isn't enough. If you want to make real income, you need to promote that link the right way. So stay with me because I'm going to show you the most effective ways to promote your affiliate links and everything you need to know about this business. Affiliate links are special links that track when you refer someone to a product or service. If they buy, you earn a commission. Simple as that. You're basically helping someone discover a product, and in return, you get rewarded for the referral. Let's start with one of the classics, blog posts. But it's not about sprinkling links randomly into your articles. That doesn't work. Instead, you want to create content that's valuable and relevant. Think of detailed product reviews, side-by-side comparisons, or roundups like top 10 best budget makeup items. The golden rule here, be honest. People can smell fake recommendations from a mile away. Promote only products you genuinely believe in. If you build trust, readers will keep coming back, and when they trust you, they are far more likely to click your links. If you already have a platform with a subscriber list, that's an amazing way to connect directly with your audience. You can send product-focused emails, share tutorials or guides with affiliate links, or even do a roundup of the best deals of the month. Pro tip: do not bombard people with useless messages. Mix in helpful educational content so your emails feel like a resource, not just an ad. Yes, SEO and organic traffic are great, but they take time. Paid advertising lets you target your audience quickly. Facebook ads, Google ads, or even TikTok ads can get your affiliate offers in front of the right people fast. The downside, of course, is that you will need to invest money to test and optimize. But if you're strategic, the return of investment can be worth it. Next up, video marketing. YouTube is massive right now, and it's one of the best platforms to promote affiliate products. You can create dedicated product reviews, tutorials, or even casual lifestyle videos where you mention and link to the gear you are using. And do not forget to add your affiliate links to your video descriptions, ideally near the top where people can see them right away. For example, if you're making a recipe video, you can include affiliate links to your favorite cookware or ingredients, simple and natural. Let's say you're hosting a podcast about filmmaking. Why not share your favorite beginner camera gear, editing software, or accessories, and then link them in the show notes? The best part is your recommendation feels like genuine advice, not just a sales pitch. And often, affiliate programs give you personalized discount codes, so your audience actually saves money by using your link. Win-win. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook are packed with opportunities to share affiliate links. But again, it's about value. Do not just post the link, create engaging content around it. Show how the product solves a problem or make entertaining reviews like Kids Trash or Gold, where he tests trending Amazon products. His honesty built trust, and trust turned into a massive following. And finally, number 7, forums like Reddit and Quora. These platforms are full of people actively searching for answers, and if you can provide a thoughtful solution and include an affiliate link to a product that genuinely helps, people will appreciate it. Just make sure to read the community rules. Some forums do not allow affiliate links directly, but you can still add value by linking to your blog or video that includes the affiliate product. Now, before we go any further, this is important. Be sure to follow the rules set by your local consumer protection authorities, like the FTC in the US. In most cases, all you need is a clear disclosure whenever you include an affiliate link. Let's talk about one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate links long term, creating your own affiliate website. The fastest and easiest way to do this is with a no-code builder like SpreadSimple. It's quick, flexible, and you do not need to touch a single line of code. Here is how it works. Sign in with your Google account. Choose an affiliate website template. It already has a clean design built for showcasing products. Add your products in Google Sheets. Your affiliate codes are automatically included in the links, so you do not have to add them manually. Customize your design, colors, fonts, layouts, whatever you like. Enable features like search, sorting, filter, social share buttons, and related items, so visitors can easily browse and share what they like. To make your website even more powerful, connect it to the other services using add-ons, built-in integrations that are fast and easy to set up. For example, you can add analytics tools like Google Analytics or Hotjar to check how much traffic your website is getting, or use email marketing services to get another channel to market your products. You can start on the free plan or try the 14-day free trial to unlock premium features, and later, once your business is running, you can upgrade. It's a budget-friendly way to get started. When picking affiliate programs, look at 4 things: commission rates, payment methods, minimum payout, and cookie duration. Some of the most popular programs include Shopify, Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, Teachable, Bluehost, Skillshare, and many more. And of course, do not forget the SpreadSimple affiliate program, where you can earn 30% commission just by recommending SpreadSimple to your network. So there you have it, the best ways to promote affiliate links, plus a complete walkthrough of how to start your own affiliate website today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the SpreadSimple YouTube channel, and hit the bell so you never miss new tips. Got questions? Drop a comment below, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye!